The 2023 Formnext Exhibition has attracted nearly 800 exhibitors. Xiamen Goofoo Technology Co., Limited was established in 2014. The company is committed to the research and development of consumer series, professional-grade and industrial-grade 3D printing products, research and development, sales and production as a whole. At this exhibition, Goofoo Technology bring a variety of new 3D printer products to the 2023 Formnext Exhibition in Frankfurt, Germany. Goofoo Technology bring the best-selling models in the market to booth number 121 FL9. So, we can take a first look at which new models are worthy of our attention. TurboM, the new professional-grade high-speed printer. Printing volume 200 and maximum printing speed up to 500 mm sec. Carton 5-axis linkage additive and subtractive composite printers. 5-axis linkage realizes and supported printing of complex work pieces, avoiding internal support and saving time and cost. In addition, more models are unveiled at the same time. Lenzan, Gemini, Cube and more. For more exciting presentations, Goofoo Technology looks forward to your visit to Frankfurt Exhibition in Germany.